Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to update your WeChat app on Android so you can access the latest features and stay secure. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to your search engine and type WeChat. Locate the official app and tap on it. If you see an update button next to the application, tap it. Wait for the update to finish. If it says open instead of update, you already have the latest version. If you don't see the update option, try refreshing the store, close and reopen the Play Store, restart your phone or wait a few hours. Updates roll out gradually. And that's it. That's how you update the WeChat app. Quick and simple. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more mobile tips and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.